What's going on, everybody? It's me, Mickey, again. Back with the Celica project. I'm at a little bit of a stopping point for right now. I don't think last time I showed you guys about how the bearing got spun and whatnot, and the crank needing it looked like it might be able to be saved, but I'm going to take it to my local machine shop, which is Goza out in Ackworth, Georgia. Shout out to them. And they're gonna see if they can, recover that crank. Hopefully I don't have to buy a new one, because I feel like buying a new one would probably be just as much as buying another motor. But yeah, this is what it looks like with the Celica wheels. Definitely not lifted, but it's, no motor inside, so, but they don't look too bad. Kind of like them. Definitely digging them. And also received in the mail from one of my buddies something pretty cool. I'll be throwing on there whenever I bring it back in. It's a nice little NRG steering wheel. Obviously it's used, but I got it for a really good deal. Pretty much a steal. And yeah, I'll be cleaning this up. Probably show you a video about me cleaning this up and whatnot, and other various things. But in the meantime, I will keep you guys updated. Maybe when I get a chance to drop it off to the machine shop, I will document that as well. Button up everything so I can park it outside. Definitely closed up that hole so no little furry friends will try to make their way in there, and also zip tied the power steering line, and that's held on by a bungee cord, and hopefully that stays on. And yeah, but yeah, appreciate it, guys. If you haven't already, like, share, and subscribe. That would be awesome. I'm trying to start something, and I appreciate those 3 viewers who have viewed my video. Appreciate that. It means a lot that you took all the time in the world to watch my little 6-minute videos. Just kidding. I mean, not really, but yeah. But yeah, so I don't know if I showed you guys the interior fully, but this is what it's looking like. What the hell is that? Didn't notice that. That it's going to get changed out anyways. Yeah, this is the interior. It smells pretty bad. I'm pretty sure there's a water leak. Definitely coming from somewhere in here. But yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. Stay tuned for updates. Subscribe and you'll know when a new video comes out. And yeah, take it from here. Later I'll also be showing you me taking out the crank and checking out the main bearings and making sure those aren't scorn too before I send it out to the machine shop. But yeah, appreciate it, guys. Y'all take care. We'll see you later. Put it outside. Freed up my bay finally so I could start focusing on work and not putting this on the back burner, but like I said, the motor needs to be rebuilt, so no sense in wasting space by having a car there. So yeah, this is what it looks like right now currently. I don't think I've shown people in the light, so here's the Celica. It's hatch. The wheels look really nice on it. Like I said, all this stuff on it, dirt and stuff, is just pollen from sitting over time. It's got a lot of grime and gunk on it, but we're gonna get it cleaned up once he's all finished. What is that? So yeah, keep you guys posted like I said, and yeah, we'll see you then next time, probably when we get to the machine shop or take apart that crank. Later.